Chrissy, earlier in the show, we were talking about probate and creditor claims, and we didn't quite finish that conversation. That when we do probate here in the state of Florida, when we do a full administration, the law requires that we give notice to all known creditors. Doctors, hospitals, credit cards, whoever the executor of the estate is will get the mail of the decedent. And when they see bills rolling in, they turn them over to us. And then we write that creditor a letter by certified mail, tell them that they have 90 days in which to file a claim or their claim will be forever barred. Now, sometimes that's how we handle known creditors, but to handle unknown creditors, we publish in a newspaper a notice of administration telling the world, or whoever happens to be reading the paper, that somebody has passed away. They have 90 days in which to file a claim. So the bad news is that when creditors file a claim, as you might, and assuming it's a legitimate claim, as you might imagine, before we can turn the cash over to the heirs, which is typically the kids, any legitimate claims have to be paid in full. The good news is that we can limit the creditor claim period to this 90 days, and if we finish our probate and a year from now somebody comes forward and says, hey, the decedent John owed me money, I need to get paid. Well, sorry, too late. So we can definitely cut that creditor claim period to 90 days.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Very important information.
Now, earlier we were talking about creditor claims. When somebody passes away and a probate is required, we have to notify creditors, doctors, hospitals, credit cards, automobile accidents, and for any valid creditors, they must first get paid before we can turn over the money to the kids. If we take all steps necessary to avoid probate, guess what? There's no place for the creditors to get paid. They're going to go unpaid. Good news about that. So that's an additional benefit of avoiding probate.
Absolutely.